Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting paint and assembling tools. Do that now. Use painter's tape around the badge to shield the finish, then warm the badge with a heat gun or phone for about 30-60 seconds to soften the adhesive. Next, slide dental floss or a thin fishing line behind the badge edge with a sawing motion while keeping steady pressure. This separates adhesive without bending the emblem. Move deliberately. If resistance increases, reheat the area and continue. Keep microfiber handy to catch the badge once it releases. Once the badge is off, focus on adhesive cleanup. Apply a dedicated adhesive remover or 90% plus isopropyl alcohol to a cloth and let it dwell for 30-60 seconds so the solvent penetrates the glue. Then, use a plastic scraper or credit card at a low angle to lift softened adhesive. Work in short strokes rather than long jerks. Continue applying solvent and scraping until the surface is smooth. Finally, wipe the panel with a clean microfiber and mild soap to remove residue and solvent traces. Finish by inspecting the paint and treating it gently. If the surface looks intact, apply a non-abrasive polish or a clay bar to remove any microcontaminants, then wax to protect the area. If you notice paint lift or chips, stop immediately. Don't sand or force. Instead, consult a body shop or use a tiny touch-up paint solution for small areas. If adhesive remains stubborn, repeat solvent applications and patience rather than increased force. This avoids damage and ensures a clean, professional result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.